year mo strike here. I say emu yadudu because ye may akakra bi no try exams. And no cry am so am Maakye University. De letter ba bontin o ma suspend the exams. I wasn't call mo tro. Sa for no mo no mo ya adwene say I say mo ya insensitive bi no.
Omudika na so da bia na me sinche mu ne say dey teacher free how said the EBQ I dey ko e be second e be empa na fi say e striker e be me e see two striker na bra e be how be and how be a me e striker me nfa so be na us and you know Ghana for fanche students no ye church no mu so mu fanche e o mu aba chi ti me every if said I can be useful so so ko e pi ni bi mbaba so mo be chade se anko amo mo na baje abisikaro ko bi ni ho mba ba die nti ya enim se omo wa hoye yeso so ya wa titi yeah se obi ye na you friend professor said o friend me na bisika me bisisa enu chese nu ba bia na ye kwa ya na se ba no mo se mo ye ka omo na ye kwa ebetia wo mo yirim chapa and yet the CAS, there's a strike at the Opa, there's a how be. Doctors supply patients on the way out of the bar. In Kisani, as a good step, a very student that's already.
You say a better affect academic calendar, and so mobile baby be for one.
Oh, yes, sir. Academic calendar at the Creno, maybe I may come at the 1 and make an hour. You know, and idea we flew easy. So, you know, Canada and Ukraine, in fact, I say, brother, and I'm probably in the 19 years, Sabri Arma. So, and into my workers strike into 3 weeks more, and they catch a labor commission. So I say, into celebrity.
Yeah, say an impenny funds be bon common. I would say this week the National Labour Commission and a bind and Ministry of Education or more keka hono. Ebeti mu asem se ne be ya abotoye mbe basan say asonum yenu nyan tokwaya na emo ankuma ne huna mane. Nti madaroma yenya gidie sa.
Sharp. You think when I'm making over here be a bind who say afede as a suit no afre no de any no good process. But the good process na say and then you go for the part. Me just say you know how we be there and to let your prospect. Sir.
Sir. Because emu ya say professor na waketu ya 5,000 cry e she den run de ya na hadwin. Ya na hadwin. Hadwin. Inti ya beda se anopai na bibia ni asan ba bi mu adaroma.
Yo, me da so.
Abusia ya ni professor Mafo. Professor Charles Mafo ene kwatwetwe komo ono na UTAG na just say University Teachers Association Ghana no ono ene woda no ene kwatwetwe komo no me na fufu bi ho akere wo mo pa KNUST nka wo mo chro exams o ko mo chro they are in a state of dilemma. They don't even know so mo ko binkumu so mo ko ni form because striking so almost say indefinite. Say you can say indefinite striker. Ye ni mu bere kra ye besan ba. Kopem bra empanimfo. Ene ye be kasa ne de ye ni mu bra no me kasa. Ade so mo sha ase ache ne ya na ha adwene ni o. Many senior staff president akasa wa ha kasa. Wo hwe o ma background to baby o ma beduru ne yi a. Utumi say ya ade anka betimi aso ano. Ensem bi say okoka NPP ni bi te fem ho. Ne party na kata na nia to the stand say ohunu ade ye papa kura ohunu wonte wase ade be nti na teacher ni a wo kira kwala ade already kura your education system na nya papa omu free kan sa asem omu free raise concern we enye ne minumi onu nyina anim so omu free kan sa asem enye ne enti die be nti na omu raise concern no ma boso be pem ne na yente ho hwe na omu decision be affect a whole academic calendar already crack COVID-19 ascend dada obi te fam ho onte wase e ane awra ho Mame nkwa omani so biem na me ne Joshua eje clue enkotwetwe enkomo na no na vice president say economy ne de omo manage ni yie pa na aba Ghana omo economy management no ebi kura ma Ghana hada hey yankoi omo de omo abene wo sikasem ne ho ntotoye emu na yemisa no yewura no pe wote yenka ye mo ache ba henkan so biem. Yes sir, wadaro mapumbo ko de. Okay. You can say management of economy e bad ye.
Management of economy. As I say, the main economy, like let's say both government expenditure, you can take it from three sides. That's the national income, using the income approach or the expenditure approach analysis. They are managing the economy. As I say, everything I want in terms of area expenditure and area income, and yes, we want to manage it for our well-being.
Oh, I see. Okay, so back to Ghana, the current management team omo managing economy no. Baby on be picky free year 2016. The baby drew baby omo was CCA no. In percentage wise, you can say ma omo percent bia saying and be ma omo.
Oh, and it will be hard to give that kind of percentage because only probably compare them to another government and now will be their previous year. So it will be very difficult to measure them. Say, unless if they are share data now, maybe about now why interrogating on find out data and then if they are share on the previous year's data now why getting maybe a then you know that make a conclusion a good statement.
Okay, until that they want to me any make way because of and someone the vice president Eddie Etuja na ochre eniema horo a ever since omo baye omo aye e de ba bepem eni the car omo ba beto ye ene ho nneoma omo aye no enu nti na mame e ka sa de no nti now yenhwe eniema omo aye na yen pair with bosin a omo abo. Enti me pese yehwe nneoma omo aye ne yemfa compare bosia no.
Okay, enti nneoma ben o pese yenhwe.
Enti nneoma omo ba ye omo so omo aye. Mubo bi nkyina bi omo so ma ye den free senior high school. Am nchenchen ho ba bi. Omo so ma ye de bi bio mo kika bi nka ho. Na omo amebo me. One village one dam. Eno etiase. Yo omo so omo aye. Na omo so omo de digital the economy so de aba. O de yan dually only on the digital economy no. Yenhwe said yes say omama yenam abefo kwan so de gigi revenue eno kra nam so ama omo abroadin the tax net ya kane nanka ye 4 million Ghanaians and they cost 16 million Ghanaians eno mutua eto wo nyaade.
Oh, ina uka o si 4 million Ghanaians after 16 million da be na edani 16 million.
Oh, recently yana our friend is saying revenue I'm friend saying Ghana Revenue Authority Director General Edibabe Tuja.
Oh, and I mean sometimes and you say me sharp and see but you can't be I say you interrogate ticket no you say clear and I say you clear because one so we see previous people are almost here to interrogate ticket no say you can't you clear and I mean because social based on the statement now Director General of the Ghana Revenue Authority of Maakye, and it's because of our initiative by government of Maakye. I feel no, a thing tax identification number. I feel they are upgrading that tax identification number into what the Ghana card. And the social Ghana card now, the number of cards we issued to the people around 16 to 17 million. So social statement now is based on what the projection says. The Ghana card perform 16 million, 17 million. It means that they are all what pay what indirect taxes. We are new for that kind of idea of indirect tax. Seriously, for me and penny to you academically wrong because even people that are outside the formal tax bracket, they also pay tax. People use transportation. There is fuel tax on it and all this kind of stuff. And it's really nice tax. And it's also as previous 4 million, but you see, I bet than 16 million
16.
now. Inaccurate. No idea. Yes. So we have to be very cautious when we are making tax statements. We need to say, oh, we see state, and I'll be seeing state. And they say, the day I'm saying that I'm saying something.
All right, afei ma ye movie na yemra mehwe said ya seed no nso so omo amanage di ba be pim ene the depreciation rate annual friend say average annual rate of depreciation no seed no so yenhwe. Yeah, we are looking from 1993 and be pim 1996 and this na net so and friends and data available kire say na ekokojina 27.95%. na just say the depreciation rate no between 1993 and 1996. If you want more buy NDC chrono 1997 they about 2000 see the depreciation age na 25.19%. NDC one more second term and MPP babe so mu 2001 2004 depreciation no and also so na 11.04% NPP from 2005 2008 and also na 6.77%. One more second term Akufo and ana udi animu. And this is signed by 2009-2012. Depreciation rate no differences and also na a 10.09% NDC. And one more second term from 2013 to 2016. Na also 18%. One more second term. And what I said from 2017 MPM 2020 NPP one more average annual rate of depreciation no 7.57%. This year, we second term no, until we are yet to find out in your ABC. And looking at MPP, dear a woman no, say Omoka say, yeah, no, we are better managers of Ghana's economy, and I see there.
There will be variations. We can say ABR. And nuclear, and it depends on the school of thought who belong to the school of thought. You know, a binoma who believe he say, oh, so yet Yama way anywhere, why idea? Obisu believe he says, so yet Yama way anyway, so I try to why idea. It is also there are different school of thought. You see, data now kind of Mrs. Yanu. The interrogation say we are looking at it in terms of what percentage.
Yes, exactly.
As I said, there is 1 city what 25 pesos. And yes, sir. Good. And he see, I did not cost 125 pesos. And I made this see, another time, so 125 pesos, you see, I didn't know how increase here by a certain percentage. So, also different now, who compared to the previous percentage. They will say, even though in terms of previous percentage, let us say, percentage low, but also quantity of the input now, another different thing. It means a huge change. That 25 pesos now, previous one, more adding. And then I make myself so share in terms of percentage, I think there are a lot of people depending on your thoughts. And so, they are percentage, a 15 agenda. If a person on your statement, do not, amount of you say, oh, my idea. And so, on the set, or you see them not figures now, they can't say, hey, I'm on your idea. And so, I say, on you see the percentage, another school of thought, I'm going to say, social percentage now, we can't tell me idea, but social growth figures now, in terms of the difference of the depreciation of the city now, and look at oh, my idea. I just thought to myself, good. Make answer. Social, from when you see the last year of that's from 2013 to 2016, 2017 and 2017 to 2020. And one say in terms of percentage and the real effect, we don't say there is variation because also 2013 the second NDC government on me take one take one. The depreciation of the city was around 1.1 right?
Mm.
1.9 2 cedis there. What did I say? I'm going to start with you. Now it's around 3.94. Go again.
Yes.
Good. 3.94. You see, the city is around 6 cedis.
It's almost 6 cities.
Good. And you say, we see where you see the percentage things now. So share in terms of values, so we compare from 2013 2 cities. And I'm going to about 3.9, 4.0. And the difference is what? 2 cities. It has been depreciated by what? 2 cities. Now, from 2017, say, I'm from the 14 to 2 cities. I said, anything that depreciated by what? 2 cities. But we say, so we see percentage now. The percentage is right. But you're talking about here. Percentage now, they're buying a certain the real effect. So we see the nominal. So we see percentage now. About we can say, oh, my idea, previous government, see the issue, different parameters. And I can say, so share the two political parties now. Idea of me say, they don't normally agree on one ground. Because for me, say, you shoot one ground that, but then you shoot out. And they always try to use parameters that are situated. Well, and then I make can say, the Tabono can or you see percentage change. Percentage change is good because it sees the agenda. They say, small mathematics. One will say, even though in percentage change or more, decision there alone, comparing to the previous and the decision figure, there's no significant change. That's just something I say.
Yes.
Good. So, anything I make I say, it depends on the school of thought you belong to and what they want to use to see the agenda. Anything I make I say, we just say, oh, yeah, I agree. And your time, depreciation, 8%. And then I say, your time, depreciation, 18%. But also, the real effect of the depreciation, we won't say, what? And now, the previous will be better or now will be better. It depends on the school of thought I belong to.
But don't you also think, say, it will be prudent, say, whether me belonging to any other school of thought, data there, as far as economy is concerned, to me, underrated. And data no so again, we are looking at a situation na ye wo pandemic mu enye epidemic pandemic hwanye me sisi bebrebe yi na ni nyina mu no they've been able to maintain yen CD depreciation no on a single digit note that is all my idea.
Yeah, there was just a pattern that went on during the pandemic. In the social, one of the major causes of the depreciation of our city, then importation of goods. Well, 2020, pandemic, then they see most countries they close their borders. Good. So if most countries close their borders, so where will import come from? Because people were struggling. People, factory workers abroad that you go and ship their goods. Overcrowd, they were all under lockdown. Factories were outside. So what will you go and do there? Import. How will you import goods? So all these things led to what? A reduction in what? Importation. So normally, there's normally AGM, implementation of corporate organizations, companies. And out of that, they will become profit. What they normally do is say, I'm going to transport the profit to the payment organizations outside the country. So Kaya, Ghana, maybe by say, so if you have profit, you are supposed to, they give a certain percentage, say, they are not supposed to transfer all the money outside the country. And the reason now, because of that, the education, it affects the city. It puts pressure on the city because they will be converting the city into dollars and they'll be taking it outside the country. And we have to look because you cannot sit down and say, oh, during the pandemic, you need to look at the natural factors who are causing or it contributed to the slow depreciation of the city. That's everything I say.
Yes. Yeah, and no crana trigger me next question say send your work and another school of thought and so would hold the opinion say in Ghana no everything under this sun it borders with leadership. And don't you think say some of the pragmatic policies ni programs ni solutions bi omo yes say omo de be boa solve our economy no are sustained and on e kan be ma omo timi nya sa percentage no.
Oh yeah,
because yeah say na wo ka say omo de emra bi bae omo che say before I would sika be we no I was all convert ni nyina nye that solid emra ni bia on.
Yes, so that directive came from what? The central government, the Bank of Ghana, BOG. So you can see that yes, those are some kind of what pragmatic policies. So share under the monetary policy tools and their in terms of their scope of work, Bank of Ghana, they have the authority to put in certain measures to make sure that the depreciation of our city is at its lowest or it doesn't depreciate. And it's also within the mandate of Bank of Ghana to do that.
Yes.
So, we can be to say simple importation of goods and services. It's not within the mandate of Bank of Ghana. The only thing that government could have done is to put on what quotas. If they are, you want to join, if they are person for Friday, I'm be something they can say, oh, you're producing your Ghana, and if they are so good, under that, now 75 in Ghana. All these things are what measures, all these things are what policies that government should have put in place. Nation we need to say planning for food and jobs. Planning for food and jobs. The catcher say, oh, it's really good. But also things ending now. Coffee farmers were complaining about low use that they were not getting the feed. And to say, hey, they are the embargo are too low. Now we have to go and do the embargo to go and import maize into the country. One day, and I can say all these things boil down to what? And it boils down to what policy and how the policy works shapes and affects our importation of goods and services. So if we are producing the local goods to support our economy, so the depreciation of the city and also, I was very happy when Abaya received they will shift Ghana from what? Migration to what? Production. Because I try to say, so who to control production? It means that you want to what? Expand what? The economy. And if you expand the economy, I try to say, your importation is going to go down, your export will go up, and the what? Balance of payment, there will always deficit for you. I said deficit, there will always be what? Surplus. Because what? Exportation will exceed what? Your importation. If it's a way now, it will come and what? Strengthen your local currency. It's a benefit to United. And then I can say, it all boils down to leadership and measures that leadership takes.
Okay. All in all, no said all kind, no. Obi betimi akasa mpa, omo ye managers of the economy. Looking at the school of thought I will belong to. Wow. Okay.
I say, social both major political parties now. Both of them, their ideologies are quite different. And Obuoba can say, oh, social number where your boy or woman, social number where I say, oh, your boy or woman. But social, I quite remember. I know that was the question what he tried addressing was what? Debt level. And debt levels on himself there, and in himself, they acknowledge about that. That even though the debt is high, social civil depreciation, import, export, or our balance of payment deficit, or an asset plus, social inflation, so all these things are figures that show that social even though he started from what, that he decided to go to other what, macroeconomic indicators. Because also on the face, the about that side now, if you measure it, the previous ones are, or now the previous administration that was trying to measure it, that's why depending on the speed of thought, because only a politician.
Okay.
Well, as a politician, they always want to say the things that will favor them or the things that will see them in a good limelight. It is Ghana politics here. Most men can say, oh, this side, yeah, very weak. They only tell me, weak. So they try to use a place my board of they come and cover up their weakness. That's what.
Yeah, but before we be kokra no, you say omo politicians. Inti ofre omo the figures and be politics. And inti the yana aba mo ho no. O ye neutral person. O hwe wo and looking at niema ya bobo so data ya present ni nyina no a. You are a neutral person. Omo abo mo homode and omo mo homode.
On the face of it, you say data no more am because I didn't make that. Also, interest rate 2015, it was very high, around 32% and stuff. They say about from
sure.
Interest rate is very good. So, this is inflation. It was very high, around 15 point something. Now, it's around 7 point something. It's very
7.5.
7.5. But what is the next effect? So, interest rate, you see, consumer price index. And the consumer price index, Ghana Statistics Authority, where are they getting that figure? But so, proud to 2015, but about me, inflation is that also market, not also 20 and now the data. I see that kind of little example to do. And then so Malaka market, also speaking, and we through the extent of it, they think getting it up by 7.5%. Do you think it's true? Just if and now uto idea to say and now uto so nyama area once the and now call almost once the 50%. Does this translate into the real figure that the government is churning out? So anything I make say on paper it's very good. So we just have to interrogate it to find out are the figures right or they are just good figures.
Okay. Mati wase papa. Ma yana sibibi ani ebesa babium. All right. Anything ebusia for yani yera Joshua AJ Clue or ye finance and economic experts. And ye ne kwatwetwe enkomo no. And all in all no, na to say eba pepa so a aban na bone ho modern pa na emum. And dey bia na me kan o. Say on paper you can be very good. But in a practical life, no, I are saying it here. Enti obetimi akabrofo and the GDP growth rates, blah blah blah. Yes, you are so good, you are so brilliant on paper. But in a practical life, no, and don't forget to say abraba ye boy. Almost 90% your practical life. Enti you can go to GIG. Yeah, no nyina ko hoyi. GIG no console na console why dey fine say we be sua brofo no a na mom we be adwuma na waba field on the field no this is the field ye be microphone na ma ye adwuma no eno ne ade no enti no yes on paper the government is doing well no doubt about it and make my can say your economy no when we talk of managers are manage economy are so fantastic on paper. AMPP are buying, and there no doubt about it because who you Kufua are buying so Kufua second term 2005 to 2009 omunya single digit as little as average annual depreciation rate omunya as low as 6 point something percent. I think say 6.11 or so percent and omunya fine and MPP Kufua on the first term why are there. Because so first term, I was about COVID-19. And look at how vigorous the COVID was. And it is still vigorous, ravaging the whole world economy. And you've been able to maintain a single digit. Oh my idea, just a before bape, and Obeka say, oh my idea. But no is on paper. Yeah, can you know my idea on paper, and my idea. and economy so calculation be a data near back up. So we see the data ye A, offer be a data near A. Mpacho what you say? Now so. Me a me te form one me te dwom, me te wadan dwom, me te aseni dwom, me te edwan kra bi wa himbiam. Achiase dwom, me te suedro dwom, me te kade dwom no. Me no sa mo inflation ne calculations no amosem abom ho moden no. Esunsun sanso no eba me so ana. Enti yasem a ye kan nyina say yes, the MPP are the good managers as far as economy is concerned. Name is on paper. They should do something to translate it to the ordinary Ghanaian. No enya so mfaso. Brofo aye kan no ni tietie anu no. Tietie anu no. Yes, they are good. They are good. Me obi obeka just say MPP nye good. Our economy home management no. Na say nipa no follow Ghana politics in chair. But what follow Ghana politics pa we from 1993 data ya me presented them 1993. Omampani a wenya ne baby kro flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings 20 something. Omo the economy ne the na economy management ne na na enkrofo etima be fire the second term omampani kufuo kra the Ghana call Hippic. That's what the Ghana call Hippic just like that. Or the Ghana call Hippic for a reason. Na bi ni mo ntena se afi duru baby na mo nyina mo bom nsem ma no. Mesa kwa homa no so na makobon komo we sisi ya me ni honorable Alexander Akwesi Akwa atimdan emrahye bedwani kwatwetwe enkomo say parliament o makọ recess eni ti yakwa kogi mu enkomo kakra honorable anopai yamo ache
bejo so minia
adaro mapumba ko de
onyame dum so ne mompaye nti
ye de radiase enti we de se ne na no ne ye kan no parliament manya koma homegiem ye gidi se o ba constituency
sa pepepe efiada ni sorry na omo ana omenidi parliament dwumedi echi no omuhunu ye ekoso besa mfa enchiakete ma wetiefo ane ahenkan dwumayefo nyina Friday no ye kon parliament na about 2 am matching 2 am na isan say ye sorry so one into na niam bi o ha na wati etimi ye ana sabe ebium parliament no a ye timu enne no obia ntimi nka say owo control your majority there but we number the majority no the bia be ka wasem mo akopom say ebesa because no na a creative issue na fe ye Twitter ho have be 2 am for the first time now was a speaker a put 2 questions bikura answer ye dia sorry but because we different question no to time e better back na o share normal parliamentary practice and that say emu yuram kakra but nina numbers obi ehun say with the numbers in t and sorry sir and this for the ehun ebufu toto nyum say ni ase ne ye call demonstration bi ana ye call war bi toto to patriotic songs so hard sorry na ye dey ewie nti no no ya ba mu dium bebusu mi no ye ba behwe ye manfo a omadaroma the constituency, the parliament. Na yatrom send the parliament the ekoye. Na fi M1 nkita ho di bu ho a ye ni omonso edi e constituency.
Oh okay. Inje se senke you school na mokwa nka mama kwan.
Mini ya wade ne aye no.
Okay.
Wade na fiada no nija na wa mafutu sa mafu abre. Mafu abre parliament ejuma no bi be ka se moto ha keke na sabe yobi a ujira wona so ekoba de biara wo wadwuma odi eche ni ade a atrase sa ne de ya na ehadwene but afatu ye ho so nti so ye
okay all right and I know na yehun say honorable minim say me friend honorable say me friend former honorable my hwe ya na contempt of court ni bi no achim nti I think say there be advisable be former MP Edema eye Asin North James Jachi Kwesen ya really say on to me my parliament but na no ye unso ba ho na wo ho bi
na me wo ho na mo ho ti yesu bi say mu kakra na nchire mu amde ma ye ne say wa set aside ruling no ono no de akokot e ma court kese I so say the appeals no set aside that ruling no nyina so no na odi ba parliament ho.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
I just wakwaje this stay of execution ni bi on. Oh, okay.
Much as Emrana court to share, was I court for Fakwaji to me, say, court Mrano say, any juma.
And the moment a crime or be a juma prepare say honorable on.
Oh, sir, sober parliament, you will register, why it will be a register daily. Would you know your typo? Na men taking notices. In fact, the majority form a list and a minority for also form a list. The men taking notices for time when court on the share, one more list, None of the woman no parliament and casa expunge on the list, and the DF list, which I expected parliament to do because the court, it may several say, or you'll be also autonomous parliament, we need if you hope. Which it is something that we need to check. Because I never idea a power or so, and as a farmer also. And I feel so you will later every day piano. Yediba. About parliament the previous day. And also the bit since our court ruling about how the court treated on absence, whether they recorded him as why absent and not why absent with permission. Normally there is a record until the bit call record na yakwa. So these are the two things I how parliament treated Iran. Na that no buy any dear or baho and I should become a rim or akonya or tenaso or what tenaso. Man who say Obia be ye if he ho and our team and baby Yankee there was a exercising the parliamentary duty and casa and they say be a debate because of no weapon is other speaker for them. Sebasadia then the speaker recognized no baby sang kososa and now say Abia ya to a baby na ono so ya to abama no and I said what to abadi na ya jina banatum that also know about Obia and said Masosa. Na Sabi Yanuma, the Odom Kessiano, numbers Lisa Accra, because now President our North, until not MPs into Duanano, Edinichi, Ecoho. Until now acquired in Kakra says here to Aba, Nka Yabekoni Ye, Emerson Quebeco Kakra, until about also. Rebecca Tata now so and era speaker, so dispatch rider. Konya akwensia speaker kasa so wantra konya mu anchesa the first deputy speaker at name anche and the second deputy so ebeto aso ade epon ye it is you no parliament hwa ya anche da hu na dwuma poti bia wo ye ya ebetimi ama ye di adanse se wa be parliamentary work but hu de ye na hu no na akoye asemo e da hwa ye na edu community no cameras no ebedi na chi mihun kwasa no organti interviews bi no na ade chere ni ntia owo ho nti so bisa ya am the center mu no na betimi dia ba
okay nti we amokoma ho megye mu die na yenso ye hwe ni mu se obeba na wo be die ne wa ne te ha na ye di parliament nkomo kakra na afei atiefo nso ehunu ne yekoso parliament adwuma amokọ ho amokọ yenso ankasa wadaroma na we de ka wo ko na obi se na parliament se mo mra ne bi standing orders ne kire se obi a oye intruder cannot enter a chamber ho August house ho ankasa in this say or participate business you say one participate more recognizing as member
as I mentioned onye stranger strangers be a minister kra ba ho ministers money I don't know parliamentary term be form strangers omo kra no yetimi adebeti omo e mo ba bitina a real chamber Hankasa, your mom baby, but no official stranger over. I said, will be a winning here, crowd, wouldn't me, Emira Hall. Okay. The Nano Angolan president by your name, Enterajinano, Obunya chamber, and certain. And so they were part of normal city on address any other. But when you or just on your whole water, and then the ofio, not some autono, near some money, my hobby. You wine and they are Quacosunumu. A young marshal, and now the members no so remember be our Nacuno. You know, one on Nacuna and Yan to a battle before Bobby. Yes, so Nakuyanda, tobacco transwana. You know, what you intrude that, and now so you're stranger, no, a yambra is at the near native to be in him, no. But obviously, he was easily identified. Say, Asembi and Abba incident.
Oh, but now I'm damn I say big way Kunyano so the Yanka Okachans one sorry.
Oh, come on. Akuyandia. I had the question as what the Alexander Kusiako. To be going to be deep at any more power.
Honorable editing yesterday, Yampadi Amao say, obey on foul Emrami Drasim Jenafi, Yamramet was some Cassian so. Yeah, that's Sibi Yane Honorable Alexander Akwesia Kwa Achim Dam Rashe Bugwenin and the end of quarter train and Comono Sima Ediana Pepe and Alba Pano Panon Cron Ehon na me pacho Tiewe me ba na fei memfa a year with that chintino emfa emre mo nene ye won sem kan wu hado okay tiewe me ba sisi ya
KNY Electronics and the Dawono. So Upe TV, rechargeable Bluetooth speakers, games console, game CDs, Bluetooth headphones, sound bar, computer accessories, mobile phone accessories, and a mobile phone kasa. And one KNY Electronics. You so watch him down in Potema. Problem be anyhow. Upe so beto you may be doso pua. Ekwanda ho. Name muno. So upe se di bro be bia uwa. Fra KNY Electronics. I was 020-580-3647. Anna 0244-055-122.
Ojam se upe quality electronics product dia. Eye KNY Electronics.
Ye chira kwanya hwena ye won kan North Carnation Swan Lake. Ye ni Holy Trinity bus stop ene di hwani mu. KNY Electronics quality product nkwa ene yeton.
Thank you.
Okay, so 42 minutes after 9 still live on Ahinkai 93.3 FM. Jumedi ni ya Maakye Ofremi Obuoba Ofori Amanfo asase aban yenti jai. Na tiewe nso so efama mi o. Senate and for Social Security and National Insurance Trust. Ye fra almost Senate. Almost one there was Senate number no. Any national identification authority number no amadi amawo no. Omo ka e dia bom na ni nyina ye ba akopɛ. E no obìnrin friend say numbers merger. And it is a wutie me anopai na was Senate card ni bi na Ghana card no so obi a was so konye ka bom e de mawo. Obe dial star 711 star 9 hash star 711 star 9 hash and also obe visit Senate womo website no www.senate.org.gh niaka ohubia no obe follow prompt no no wedi so kama and also obetimi akọ Senate womo office bia wunim frɛ womo e was 0302 611 622 0302-611-622 and your toll free number and so and on a Vodafone numbers in Kwa and a airfare 0800-110094 0800-110094 and on your Vodafone Kwa and also bit me WhatsApp womo it was 050,000 3050 050,000 3050. Visit womo ewo womo social media handles no Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, any other social media handle be a winimo no na emwa pa ana se ube email womo ewo contact center@senate.org.gh contact center@senate.org.gh na monto amon koma twetwe no so ho na ne krakra mu no mo se me kan kire mo se bosumi ya ye wo mu ne de twatfo kra no omo eba bedility as many as 13,000 plus pensioners are omo any certificate no into your pensioner na we need certificate ya Senate for semen kan kire wo say Godo. Bosumi we nkwa wie no. Omo be delete sa names ni nyina. Nti wutie mi ampa cho. Ka kire o maame, ka kire o papa. Omo ni SNET card SNET pensioners certificate na. Omo konko pe bi emfa emame. K Asenso Limited. Esmen kan cho sese yenkonwa papa na wo pe. Swinging wheel office chairs, quality wooden chairs, authentic bookshelves. And also o pe dia gu o shop nim anase wasore ho mo company nimu a K Asenso Limited na no pay me kamfo edi amount. K Asenso was Seka Dabraka of Iran Clinic. Kaneshi Flamingo Road in Subehunu K Asenso ho. Obetimia from 0302 257 209 and 0302 919 739. K Asenso Limited was the home of quality office chairs and bookshelves. We also a KNY Electronics. KNY Electronics. My catch was a company we a one crying. At the papa bia upe bibia kofa e de free abrochire de aba one crying. Ye wo Accra, North Kaneshi Swan Lake. Ye ne Holy Trinity bus stop no e na edin hwe animu e one crying. Ai na ne wo munye ope quality but affordable. Ye papa nanso ne bo wo from TV papa type ben size ben na wo pe. Rechargeable Bluetooth speakers and a wope. Games console, games CDs, Bluetooth headphones, and also sound bar, computer accessories, mobile phone accessories, and a brand new mobile phones. And a wupebia a KNY Electronics. Baby bia wubia uta ye be deliver ne kama. Edi amawa obrebia enim. Ubetimi atone duduom and a betimi so atone bako. Bebia wo bia ofuase ayire bi odan henfa o de wo abodin ade e be deliver ne kama de amount 0205 803647 0205 803647 and 0244 055 122 0244 055122 and the number be free KNY Electronics. Me pacho ofra bomidin ubomidin a wo percentage a odi ebema wo unya bomidin pe me pacho percentage da ho e de amount obo se obuoba ewo ahenka na FM me pacho percentage e da ho e de amount afei Eastern Region Media Excellence Awards omo anominate ahenkan Maakye dwumadie toaba ni bi fama yen a star 447 star 714 hash. Who follow prompt no a Maakye ni code no ER2 ER2 Maakye de ne ER2 toaba no fama yen na eniama ntumi nko yie pa afei o ma bɔ me nso mi din sɛ morning show host of the year ɛno nso ɛyɛ na wato ma me de ɛyɛ na me wure kura fimpo code no wɛ hefa mame kenka we na yentoa so enti police ni no a me ka kire wo sɛ ɔno ankasa agye ne kra free ne nsam ɛwɔ nkɔkɔ no krata wo twere yɛde to hɔ no emu nsam eni ɔse Timothy Dampare, I told you I owed people money and you have to help me and you have been with me. You have been with me in the house for 1 week now, and you have and you have to help me. So if anything happen, you have to do it also. Mr. Timothy Dampare, and what they thank you at one or then a number cross and to a chira. Krata and cross sign signature ya kahon. Nti Timothy Dampare na so aye hye papa police ni ababa wano a wafimu no wabɔ ne din sɛ ɔno Timothy Dampare no ɛna wama asɛm saa ato no na brantie no ɔno nso na so aye hye papa ɛno nam so ma police no nso so ɛde krataa bi aba abɔnten a yewura ACP Samuel Kwesi Ofori ɛna ne nsa hyase sisi ɔno yɛ kasama for the Ghana Police Service no ne nsa hyase a ɔsɔ mo nso ahyɛ investigations ase nti ɛno nso so ho asemara ɛno no yɛsrɛ police service no so mo behia psychologist bi a mo fa psychologist ma wɔn because it is becoming one too many ne yɛtimi ɛnso ano baabi a yɛduro no ɛyɛ ahenkan ahia sɛm
Ghana Adisie, Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Emamo Ache, Ediba Ahinkai 93.3 FM.
Na mama won so kwan na watimi agbo awura mu bi. In August 2018, investment banker par excellence, Mr. Boakye Ejako, ye relieve no from the post as Minister for Energy. Aden ye say some alleged impropriety bi akoso. Ye ka say impropriety a say ekwan a e wo se wo fa so e de ya de na wo mfa sa kwan ne so no. Ye frɛ no impropriety. Ye say papa ya fa so ama ye nam so omampani Akufuado e pamo no. Opamo papa yi Boakye Ejako oboni na mutuo se pay aden a wakosi sign contract bi ne ehun semsem omampani kura beka se ya misleading no. Eno de wudim dada 2018 ena sa asemi esiye. Na ni nyina fa Ameri deal ho Ameri unim dada nti we enwo sem san ha me ho kra wo ho. So in September 2019, Yera Emmanuel Asigiri sabre no na CEO Edema National Youth Authority ono ni 2 deputies Richard Obin ene Kwabena Echampon omo so ye yi omwadi aden a yese alleged procurement breaches bi akoso ewo omo atena ye kase mu hono mo na ye bisau per the report wa ad hoc committee a omo parliament presented ba ye no ene menkasa bebre da bi me pese me wi a me ma kwan na nso bam ebre no kra wie du ano no me kwasha me bisa ne se adenti na osuafo a wo no because in the report no endra me kan ye endra ma na me make sure say me ready bi nti me kan ye ono ankasa agye atumu say wamfa procurement process Ghana hanso no oye public servant and also oye minister whoever na so person wo tade a it has to go through procurement process anko okoto aduro ni wie ya nsa na obekire okrata e dia bre eye PPA for no procurement hwan authority for no obekire okrata de kokoma wom enti as we speak no kra no almost so akire letter nyame yadom e chena we will go deep into this one report no ad hoc report no mo de ba ye no a ya declare no Sunday a bepem na yenten ho asem a parliament nso so akwa homegi mu no na papa ne da so friend who minister wo Ghana ha. Now the question is de ben ene si ye e wo sekire jamanse amatumpan na eno nam so e ma Boakye Ejako de ye bɔ ne na mutuo pay na Boakye Ejako de onya PP ni ye ko ka mo se ma ye nkan PP 47 nti nka ye nkan wan asem ye wan asem nti nka ye nkan obi ye MPP ni chen obi e de ben ti na ye Rajma Manu da so woni post e de nti no da so kuram I was to resign because we admit say he didn't think right. On one admission, no, he didn't think right. Mami ma okwan ebrem, ene me nkasa nkwa akiri. Time on already ekọ. Inti mami ma wo okwan ho. Na nso so ebrem bi. I was so ba mu bi. Na fe nyame yadom echina. We will come. So echina a Tuesday. Inti china no, we will pick snippet of a year report no excerpts of it. Ye fa na edi mu nkomo. Mi wi anam ato ama wo say nti ye Rajma Manu order so kura ne position say Minister of Health e wo Ghana ha say nti denti na denti e na Boakye Ejako de eto no ye yi na di Emmanuel Asigiri eto no ye yi na di nya so ko wi asika o but procurement process musu wo breach law no e na mu yi na di papa insu breach law no order so te ho 0201944485 0201944485 0554 820 910. Me pacho first caller on the line. Mama Achi. Sorry. Sorry. Ubeti mi asan baby mu. 0201944485 0554 820 910. obi MPP ni chen obi ana dabi o obi anya Ghana ni so nchen obi eni ntina de bia me ka kire o se enra NDC abreso na enye na ne ye ka ene ye ka MPP fo mo kama ntum na mo nye Ghana fo nchen NDC fo MPP fo mo nye Ghana fo nchen NDC fo ye nyina ye Ghana fo nti se si nra ne ye ka ene mo me yanka o ye nya ne ye ane tete ho aye kire ne pa cho udi ni ba bi akasa free
Abubakar Sabek ni mpi nkase fe aseme
yenti o minya
me mo ju apane hode oni na menya ju mbese me kan ya fe bibia ho no pe
yeah dio 0201 944485 and 0554 820910 hey Abubakar oh sorry who's going to be a so ehomane blink sa ehomane blink but o peki ana ati atom ewo ho no mo I can't think far because report and then report me nko report no mu ne e kina nya kom but ne me kan report na me hunu ye no e na me ka bi a kire wo no but e kina no ye bebo awura mu pa e ba cho udin ni ba bi akasa free.
Hello.
Yes sir.
Opening morning.
Maju so me de share udin ni ba bi akasa free.
Me pato me kasa free tubua ye flem kwaku eji.
Kwaku eji.
Eji.
Yo.
Me pato na Africa na mo se nyina wo men mu na mpanifo no. E de crack condom bo men na yini sika o men. Nyina no nkonya ne.
Enye sika na me bo so me ka condom dodo se wo kan 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 no na ya na mo ye Christian country na Christian country ni ye to condom amamo a oso wonte ho ase condom amu use ye no 2019 no mu use condom 32 million and this year 2020 no anam we ukada yi ne ma ayi mahama ena ba konkra de sen akufa do mo de sen bu for more for nana no time am we say nyina na mo to condom mu 2020 ye to manana say mo to manana nyina na mpa so mo to ne ho nso nti condom de mo to bi pa nti no ho asem na wo bi sa no ho amane bono no enye obi ade disika koto condom no aye kind 1 2 3 4 5 no Ghana's condom purchase 2019-2020 and hon kuntabu media ma wo no badodo nti wo se wo resign nti wo is either wo be fire wo ho ana me fire wo bi wo gidie sa sesi America so mampani on nam bono east se bono potem ho ba bi nti mi se enyire so a wo beba na omampani to a wa hya a wo koi endra na me da ho mi bisa mo se omampani mi nso akọ northern region akọ north east akọ importem ho no nyina nti apuema ntam nso oba na de na obeye wa ha because onam nyina o commission ni o mana me boa onam nyina o commission ebia say savlugu yeso akobie rice factory anui nti so oba eastern region oba to wo eastern region ya de na obeye wa ha oba commission de unse question is simple unhusa question is simple kra because say okoto baby a okoto wo ho because okwakọ that project bi adi yan ya pu emantam anu mo ye ne free ha no say oba ha no obeye den as we speak now no den no obeye yey o de emfa ne say apu emantam nyina ye odan just feel it o apu emantam nyina ye odan o de emfa ne saa apuema ntamu nyina ya chim dan constituency enti so mampani si wo ba besra apuema ntamu a ye fa ne se ni nyina ye dan constituency no a e de ye be mpa no mampani be no ha obe commission de yen. It's a simple question nyankopon ya do mo e kina ye beto aso e de amamo media seda be ko ama odi ahenkan kwame yebo a ono ne di animu se executive producer e na adwempa hene Kofi Mensan so bo ano kwame asante kan ho bi ene adi dwumadie de bremo me ofre me Obuoba Ofori Amanfo nyankopon ya adom na se Yesu ama a okena ye besan abampacho mo a ye ntumi ankenkan mo messages no mo fa nche why nyame ya adom okena ye ba ye be kenkan messages no kama edi amamo kwatin also wo dan kwanta ye da se nyame ya adom a yo yate abranti ya waso wo frɛ number no ye ya ese be frɛ bia no asan si so no nti ya na wa me afrɛ no anyway sinti me da se bebre nyame yadom e kena Yesu ama ye be se na hia ka se bota wutu aso no wi a adwuma enso bɛka ho ama hwɛ wo so ye wo hwɛ wo so ye ne Yesu ba mu a utumi nyini kyɛ makrao
Arishima ma yamamu nyina mo achibiam sam makwaba ade ba yan kan 93.3 FM so na sɛdeɛ wuni mo no ɛbrɛ no aso se yɛde kɛse bɔtɛw ɛde bɛso mo wabra no ndu enso aboyi na ɛnɛ adwoi ensɛm awodo a yɛkɛse bɔ ahodo nso yɛde ba bɛso mo dumienu ana afen so no mekyɛ dumenu awiapem to bɛkɛse bɔ na meka no ɛna afe ɛyɛ anwumre no nsia ensɛm ahodo de ba bɛso mo no sabre yɛde mu empempen so ne ba bɛso mo sɛdeɛ tie na ɛfata na so watime hu nsɛm ahodo a ebetwa aguo medin ɛde adwen pahene kofi mensa adwene papa na papa endi wani mo kan na ɛnɛ no ɛyade se yɛde ani ɛbɛkyerɛ mu ɛwɔ ɛyɛ akyem abenase na o student omo ɛwɔ LA Basic School ɛno wa akyem abenase mekyerɛ abenase LA Basic School no suafo omo kɔ gentete ne ebia ka omo abomu a computers ahodo omo de ekɔ akɔkyɛ ɛyɛ asukuufo no enso so mu ensam yɛde beba bɛso mo sanso ɛna ɛyɛ amamrani anase oloya ni bi nso ɛde nsɛm ahodo aba bɛtodwa ɛde fa ɛyɛ health minister ensɛm ahodo eguso etwagu ɛyɛ Sputnik V vaccine no contractor enwa koyɛ pinso no ɛyɛ amranim ni bi akasa ɛde afa ho sanso ɛna MPP amanyoko no enso di mfinhyia ɛyɛ aduonu enkono 29th anniversary omo hyɛ ho fa ɛwɔ kankan mantamu na ne yɛbɛhwɛ omo ɛbɔbrɛ sɛdeɛ ho enso nsɛmse betie mfie poli aduonu nkono yɛbɛhwɛ omo bɔbrɛ sɛne asetie ɔmamo mu no ekoye omo ba sɛne asimi hu no ne nyina no yɛbɛtwetwe mu enkomo utag for empanyimfo yɛka utag omo ɛyɛ akyerɛkyerɛfo omo kyerɛ adeɛ osuapon ahodo mu ɛna me no kase omo ne Ghana Education Service konkunyasie ɛde afa omo strike omo akɔ no ho ensɛm bebi ɛna etodwa de ba bɛsom mo emrase badwane de ma de hye omo wɔ Ofoase Ayerebi abato mpesua ɛso no kroya we suafo hwe da bo ensem dwumadi eso no monyafo kɔdwo pon enkroma na wɔkyi awieyɛ okopie mu ɛwɔ ɛyɛ boto diase community center wakako commission eti yede ho ensem enso ede baba besomo sɛdeɛ tie na ɛfata saa enso so na nsafofo so abetie ebi ene sɛ adehye no wɔn ayɛ akyimodan kwanta ɔmo kyem sɛ nursefoɔ no wabra ɔmo kɔ yɛ ɛdankora bi yɛ sidi ama ɔmo so ɔmo kom kɔ yɛ adwuma ɔdan kwanta clinic no yɛ se nyame anim no kroni ukɔnum sɛ yɛnhwɛ wa sɛdeɛ ɔmo simi treatiw no enkoye enu nti no yɛde futu sɛ makwa ma ɔmo sɛ ɔmo so enyo ɔmo no ma yi sɛdeɛ bɛyɛ a ɔmetimi enso ayɛ ɔmo no ma sɛdeɛ sɛ na ɛfata sɛ ɔyarehwɛ eni enti yɛbɛfrɛ ɔmo panyine kwankyerɛfoɔ ne yɛne no abɔnkɔmɔ sanso na vice president Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia de atoja etim sɛ na nado dan kwa kufu da mamuo mu economy no ɔma tutu ne ɔma no ma konkan pa yɛne sika yɛba obi ɔyɛ sika sɛmo empese mu bɛbɔ nkɔmɔ na afetimamufo nso akasa de afa ho Olumanyamfo Alexander Kwasi Akwa enso akasa de afa wabra mrahye badwafo wonom so ekwa ahomegye mu eho ensem so wobɛte ɛwɔ ɛyɛ yɛnakan kɛse bom awiemu bɔbrɛ nso nsem ɛbɛka ho abi ne yɛde aba bɛsom wo eti wei ene nsem ahodo anɛ yɛnakan kɛse bom no ebedi akotene ye panti a na wahyɛ ne so dini biom ɛyɛ adwen pan ne kofi mensa adwen papa na papa enu anim kan me sɔre kwabra kosti ɛde adwuma ɛtoa so